Looking to turn your home into a place you never want to leave? These Amazon finds are all about comfort, convenience, and making everyday life feel easier and more relaxing. From cozy upgrades to smart little touches, each one helps your space work better for you. All products are linked in the description below. Your TV doesn't have to live in one room anymore. This smart portable screen rolls wherever you want and delivers sharp 4K visuals that make shows, videos, and apps pop with detail. The large touchscreen lets you tap, swipe, and control everything just like a tablet. A built-in battery keeps it running for hours, so you're not tied to outlets. You can swivel, tilt, and rotate it for the perfect view. Then use your voice to play, search, or stream hands-free. Tiny messes don't stand a chance against this little powerhouse. This cordless handheld vacuum sucks up dust, crumbs, and debris from desks, keyboards, and tight corners with ease. It also switches into a strong air blower, so you can blast dirt out of places a cloth can't reach. One compact tool lets you vacuum, blow, inflate, or seal all with a single button. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's perfect for quick cleanups anywhere you need them. This is the kind of couch you don't just sit on, you melt into it. This oversized round sofa feels like a giant cloud, giving you tons of space to lounge, nap, or sprawl out comfortably. Soft chenille fabric makes it cozy against your skin, while the thick cushioning supports you all day. 14 plush pillows let you build the perfect setup for your back, head, or arms. Best part? It arrives ready to use, no tools or assembly needed. Small space, big comfort, that's the idea here. This foldable sofa easily switches from a cozy chair into a flat bed whenever you need it. The soft foam filling molds to your body, so sitting or sleeping feels supportive, not stiff. A built-in headrest and lumbar pillow keep your neck and back comfortable for long sessions. When you're done, just fold it back up and reclaim your space. Sometimes you just want to hide from the world, and this lets you do it in the cutest way. This giant wearable turtle shell pillow wraps around your body like a soft, calming hug. The plush fabric feels cozy, while the gentle weight helps you relax and unwind. You can crawl inside, stretch out, or curl up while reading, gaming, or resting. When you're done, it doubles as a fun pillow or playful room decor. Long days don't have to follow you into the night. This full-body massage mat turns any bed or couch into a relaxing recovery zone. Multiple vibrating points work across your back, legs, and shoulders to ease tension fast. Built-in heat adds soothing warmth that helps your muscles loosen and unwind. Just lie back, choose your setting, and let your body relax while you do absolutely nothing. This little lamp makes turning on the light feel oddly fun. Instead of a switch, you control it with a simple joystick-style tilt. Soft, warm light helps you wind down, while brighter light works for reading or getting around at night. It's cordless and rechargeable, so you can move it from bedroom to bathroom with ease. Compact, playful, and practical, it lights up your space without getting in the way. Ironing doesn't have to feel like a workout anymore. This heavy-duty steam press smooths out wrinkles in seconds with even heat and powerful steam. The extra-large pressing surface lets you handle shirts, pants, and linens fast without constant repositioning. Simple fabric settings help you choose the right heat, so nothing gets scorched. Just press down, lift up, and enjoy crisp results with way less effort. This coffee table does more than just sit there. With a smooth lift-top design, it rises up to meet you, making eating, working, or relaxing way more comfortable. Hidden storage inside keeps clutter out of sight, while side compartments hold everyday items within reach. Built-in wheels let you roll it wherever you need it, then lock it in place. It arrives fully assembled, so you can use it the moment it shows up. Cleaning windows just got way less scary. This magnetic double-sided wiper lets you clean both sides of a window at once, even on high floors. The strong magnets hold it securely, while soft scrapers and microfiber cloths remove dirt and streaks effortlessly. A safety rope keeps it from slipping out of your hands. Simple to use and ergonomic, it makes sparkling windows quick and worry-free. Relaxation just got an upgrade. This round rattan daybed transforms into a sofa, chairs, or even an extendable tea table. You can mix and match pieces to fit any outdoor setup. A retractable canopy shields you from the sun when needed and folds away when you want the breeze. Made from weather-resistant rattan, it handles rain and sun with ease. Zippered cushions make cleaning a breeze, so you can lounge worry-free. Upgrade your relaxation game with these velvet barrel chairs. Soft velvet hugs every curve, while the thick foam cushions keep you cozy for reading, working, or just lounging. Each chair comes with a matching storage ottoman to hide blankets, magazines, or snacks. The curved back supports your spine and melts away fatigue. With a solid wood frame, these chairs are sturdy, stylish, and built to last. Makeup and organization meet in one compact unit. This 3-in-1 vanity has a flip-top mirror with built-in LED lights for flawless, shadow-free application. 3 smooth drawers and a hidden storage compartment keep all your beauty essentials neat and within reach. The cushioned stool adds comfort while matching the modern design. Crafted from durable wood, it resists scratches and moisture, making it perfect for bedrooms or small spaces. This C-shaped table slides right under your sofa or chair, giving you a handy surface without taking up floor space. 3 storage shelves plus a side bag keep remotes, magazines, and devices organized. Use it as a laptop desk, snack table, or nightstand, whatever fits your routine. The sturdy iron frame supports up to 80 pounds, so it won't wobble under your stuff. Lightweight and easy to assemble, it's a smart solution for small spaces. Bring the sky indoors with this thundercloud LED lamp. It changes colors and pulses to music, turning any room into a party or cozy retreat. Hang it on walls or ceilings, rough or smooth surfaces don't matter. Brightness and color are fully adjustable, and a timer makes it perfect as a nightlight. Easy to assemble and built to last, it creates magical, mood-setting lighting for bedrooms, gaming rooms, or celebrations. Meet the lamp that feels alive. The Pause. Moon lamp stands like a little figure holding a glowing moon, bringing personality and warmth to any room. Tap the head to dim the light and the body to change color tones, giving you full control over the mood. Made from solid wood, each lamp has a unique, natural charm. Rechargeable and cordless, it lasts hours without a cable. Perfect for bedrooms, desks, or cozy corners. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek 4-door French fridge. It has a huge 21 cubic feet of space, including a wine cooler, freezer, and fridge zones, all separately controlled. Automatic defrost and dual cooling keep food fresh longer, while adjustable shelves make organizing easy. Energy efficient and whisper quiet, it slides flush with your cabinets for a built-in look. The touch LED display adds modern style and makes temperature control a breeze. Say goodbye to pool chores with this cordless cleaning robot. It scrubs floors, walls, water lines, and even clarifies water, all in one device. Control it right from your phone to target floating debris without getting wet. Smart parking lifts it above water when done, and a long-lasting battery cleans large pools on a single charge. Durable, fast, and precise, it keeps your pool sparkling while saving you hours of work. fresh pasta in under 20 minutes? Yes, please! This compact machine kneads and extrudes spaghetti, penne, or fettuccine automatically. Swap flours or add veggies, eggs, or herbs to create endless flavors. Smart double extrusion discs give smooth, perfect noodles every time. A space-saving design and built-in storage for discs make it easy to keep on your counter and ready for anytime pasta cravings. Upgrade your bathroom with this sleek, smart bidet toilet. The elongated comfort height seat makes sitting and standing effortless. Adjustable sprays with warm water cleanse front and rear, while pulsate and oscillate settings customize your wash. Motion-activated hands-free lid, self-cleaning wand, and pre-flush mist keep things hygienic. Dual flush and quiet close features add convenience and modern luxury to your daily routine. Cleaning just got powerful and chemical-free. This portable steam cleaner uses superheated steam to lift dirt, grease, and grime from floors, tiles, upholstery, and more. The 22-piece kit, including triangle bonnets, reaches corners, mattresses, and hard-to-reach spots effortlessly. A large tank gives up to 50 minutes of non-stop steam, so you can tackle big jobs without stopping. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and naturally sanitizing. It makes every surface sparkle. Transform your sleep with this electric adjustable bed. The head and foot lift independently, letting you relax, watch TV, or find your perfect zero-gravity position. Built-in USB ports and storage pockets keep devices and essentials close at hand. A backlit remote with flashlight makes adjustments easy, even in the dark. Quick to set up and designed to relieve back pain, it's comfort and convenience rolled into one modern frame. Check the time from any angle with this double-sided corner wall clock. Hollow numbers and precise hands make it easy to read while adding modern style to pillars or corners. A built-in LED sensor lights up in dim spaces, so you'll always see the time. Silent quartz movement keeps rooms peaceful, and the sleek design resists rust and fog. Battery-powered and stylish, it's perfect for living rooms, offices, or as a thoughtful gift. Say goodbye to cold toilet seats with these plush, warm covers. Soft, breathable fabric keeps you cozy in any season, while high elasticity ensures a snug fit on most toilets. Snaps and a handy handle make installation easy and help keep the cover in place. Machine washable and reusable. They're practical and hygienic. Simple, comfortable, and convenient. Your bathroom just got a little more inviting. Turn your wall into a full-featured home gym with this smart mirror. The touchscreen runs Android, letting you use any fitness or entertainment app without extra devices. A reflective surface lets you check posture, dance moves, or even your outfit. RGB LED lights sync with music for an immersive workout vibe. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it combines exercise, entertainment, and motivation in one sleek setup. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.